Okay, right now we are on the desktop site on our YouTube studio, on the desktop site on our YouTube studio. So right now this is where we are. So right now I want to show you how to upload a video on your YouTube channel, how to upload video on your YouTube channel, or how to create your own video. So right now let's go into it. So I'll show you how to create your own, how to upload your video. Sorry. So this icon up here, see this icon up here, we'll be clicking on this right now. So let's zoom this so that you can see it very well. Let's zoom it. So this one up here, we'll be clicking on it. This one. So we're clicking on this. So click on it. Then when you click on it, it will tell you to upload. So right now, look at it. It says set file. Let's click on it so that we can set our file that I want to upload. You can give it, right? It's my first time uploading a video, so they will tell me to give it access to files, photos, videos, and all that. So you click on your files to get to the video you want to upload. So when you click on files, then you go in search of the video you want to upload. So right now we'll be going to videos. So we'll be going to videos. I know where my video is. So right now go for the video I'm looking for. Okay, so I want to upload this video right here. So when you click on the video, it will read up and it will start uploading. It will take you to a place. Just calm down, let's get there, and I'll show you how to do that. So right now when it is done uploading, it will bring you here. Now it have not uploaded yet, it just loaded to bring you here. So right now when we get here, first you see here, you see that thing I did for you, you see that thing I did, that icon I pointed like this, you see it here, you see the description I used, look at it here, everything just appeared by its own self. So right now what we just do, we just put our title. So this is this video is just all about how to pin a group, or chat on WhatsApp. Yes, how this video is done. I made this video showing you how to pin a group or chat on WhatsApp. So that is the title of this particular video. So right now, looking at it right now, this is why I said welcome to my official this. We did this in the other video, so go, if you have not watched this video, the link is down below. Go and watch it, and you understand why the reason why this this emoji is here, and the reason why this thing is already addicted here. Go and watch the other video, the link is down below. So right now we say welcome to our official YouTube channel. Here I teach how to create, optimize, customize, and optimize. We're ready. Okay, so right now, like, next, say okay, how to pin, post, group, or chats on WhatsApp. Good one, on WhatsApps. So you can tell them more about it. You get, like, I can come here and say, you can say you can pin let's do this way. You can pin important groups or chats on WhatsApp. To know more about this, make sure to watch this video. Make sure to watch this video. Then you give them call to action. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more videos. Okay, so you just write it your own way. So this is it. Then you go to the next one. You can add thumbnail if you want. You can add thumbnail. So I can let's check. Let me just add a WhatsApp thumbnail at the front so that it will. I don't have a edited thumbnail for now, but let's just add WhatsApp. I think I have a WhatsApp thumbnail here. Downloads. Let's check. I think I have a WhatsApp thumbnail. Okay, I have this WhatsApp thumbnail here. I don't think I have another one. Let me just add this one. Understand? Let me just add this, but this is not gonna draw. It's not gonna bring awareness. But let me just add it. I just want to show you how to add a thumbnail. Just click on it and add it. Guys, then playlist. no playlist yet, so you click on this place to create a playlist. So I can create a playlist saying, you can name the playlist, you can just name it. I'll name my own. I'll just name I'll name mine YouTube course. Let me just name it YouTube course, so that we can just continue, we can forge ahead. And make sure it is public. It is public. If you make it private, all your watch hours are just wasting. So make sure it is public. You just click on create. So right now we have created it, so mark it so that this video will just be uploaded there straight. So that is it. So right now we'll make a video not for kids. You see it? No, it is not made for kids. You can add your age restriction if you want, but for me, I don't do that. So you can click on see more or show more. So when you click on the show more, it will show you a lot. Even see the tags. These are the tags we added before. They are all here, so you can still add more tags based on, because I like adding for me, I like adding the topic of my video first. So I like clicking here, and I'll add how to pin WhatsApp, groups and chats. Get now how to pin WhatsApp group and chats. Then you look for more. I can also add WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is included in what I just said in the video. WhatsApp, pin group. You just find keywords and add. So after adding the keywords, we don't have another thing to do. You leave your YouTube in standard YouTube license. So that is it. So don't have another thing to do for now. So next thing, we'll just go back to this place and we'll click on the next button. So click on next button. Look at the next button here. You click on next button. So let's click on the next button, so that I'll go to the next setting, the next layer. Right now they say you should add a subtitle. I'm not ready for that. You can add a card, but we cannot add card because we don't have the requirements right now. We cannot add that. Let's leave it. Let's go to next. Click on next again. Click on next. Then it will take you to check, where they have to check everything. So click on next. Then it will take you to check. So right now we're on the check. So they say no issue found. You look at it right here. They said no issued found. Okay, if there's any issue found, they will place it for us here as a copyright claim. They'll say that we copied somebody. If we copy somebody, they'll tell us that we copied somebody. But right now, look at this right here. They say no issue found. That means we did not copy anybody. So that means we are good to go. They have ticked it good. They tick it good. So we are good to upload our video right now. So right now, we'll click on next. So let's click on next. So right now, it is now time to publish everything. So right now, if you want to schedule it, you can schedule your video. But right now, I want it to be public. Make sure it is public. Make very sure it is public. Don't let it to be unlisted or private. So I want my video to be public. Then I'll click on publish. So right now, my video will start publishing. So once it's done publishing, you see it right now, it is done publishing. You see it. So I'll just click on close. I don't want to share it right now. I'll click on close. So right now in this place, my video should appear here. So I will refresh it so that my video can appear. Okay. So let's click on this place so that we'll get our video. You see the video uploaded. Look at it right here. This is the video uploaded. And see, this is the video uploaded right here. So the video is 57 seconds. So you see it right here. Let me show you. You see it's public, no strike. Make sure your video has no strike. If it has, there's a way to sort it out. You don't need to kill yourself once it has a strike. Understand? Because you can't monetize your channel once your video has any strike at all. So that is it. I'll be doing a video down below. The link will be down below or in the next video on how to remove copyright claims. So that is it. Thank you. This is how to upload a video. So we can go to our YouTube channel right now to see how it goes. Let's switch. So let's go to the YouTube app. to see if the video is on our YouTube app. If it is visible, it should be there right now. So if it is not there, that means we made a very big mistake on uploading it. So right now, let us go straight to the point. Let's go. Okay, let's click on it. Yes, let's click on the YouTube app to see if our video is on YouTube. So click on the icon up here. We'll click on our channel. That is your channel. You see right now, look at the video up here. See the video? The video is up here. So that is it. You see the video up here. You can like your video.
Okay,
Don't dislike it. So that is it. So that is it for it. So we have it up here. Looking at it right now, you see that here we have, let me show you. It is now recorded here that we have one video, but we have no subscribers. But that will be a surprise very soon. You see that subscribers will start pumping up because we have optimized something here. You understand? Don't worry, we'll still continue. So that is it. This is how to upload a video. Thank you.